Top freelance jobs that paid big from home in 2025. Want to earn big money working from home? In this video, I'm sharing the top freelance jobs that pay high in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, these jobs can earn you $500 to $3,000 a month, straight from home. Watch till the end for platforms, tips, and have a start. Job 1. AI prompt engineer slash AI content creator. This is one of the fastest growing freelance jobs right now. You create prompts, generate content using AI tools like ChatGPT, and help businesses automate tasks. You can offer services like blog writing, ad copy, social media content, emails, and chatbot replies. No degree needed, just creativity and practice. Job 2. Freelance content writer slash copywriter. Blogs, ads, scripts, product descriptions. Content is everywhere. Brands need writers who can create engaging content. If you love writing, you can easily charge $10 to $50 per article, or even more as you grow. Niches like tech, finance, AI, travel, and help pay extra. Job 3. Social media manager. Businesses don't have time to manage Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok pages. As a social media manager, you create posts, reply to messages, manage growth, and track performance. Freelancers charge anywhere from $200 to $800 per client per month. You can handle multiple clients. Job 4. Graphic designer slash Canva expert. You don't need Photoshop expertise anymore. Canva is enough to get started. Create logos, YouTube, thumbnails, social media posts, Reels covers, ads, and branding kits. Designers earn $10 to $100 per project, depending on quality and clients. Job 5. Virtual assistant. Freelance virtual assistants handle tasks like scheduling, emails, research, data entry, and customer support. It's beginner-friendly, and clients from the US, UK, and Europe pay $5 to $20 per hour. You could grow into full-time client management or agency work. Bonus. Video editor slash short-form content editor. With Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok blowing up, video editors are in high demand. Edit short clips, transitions, captions, and hooks. You can earn $15 to $100 per video, depending on the client. Where to find these freelance jobs? You can start on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, LinkedIn, TrueLancer, and remote job Facebook groups. Create a strong profile, add portfolio samples, and start applying. These freelance jobs can help you earn high from home in 2025. So, which one are you starting with? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for more remote work tips. And check the link in the About section to start your freelance journey today.